Breaking news for Americans. Some AI tools are replacing $100,000 a year jobs right now. And if you think your career is safe, you might want to watch this until the end. Across the US, companies are quietly cutting staff and letting artificial intelligence do the work. We're talking copywriters, designers, financial analysts, even junior lawyers. And here's the scary part. Many of these tools cost less than your monthly Netflix subscription. Let's start with marketing and copywriting. Traditionally, businesses paid professionals up to $8,000 a month to write ads, blogs, and emails. But now, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can create the same content in seconds, with unlimited revisions. Next up, graphic design. Six-figure designers are facing competition from AI tools like Midjourney and Canva AI. Imagine paying a designer $100 an hour versus getting unlimited designs instantly for a fraction of the cost. Companies are making that choice every single day, and Wall Street isn't safe either. Analysts once making $120,000 a year are being replaced by AI stock analyzers that scan markets 24/7, spotting trends humans could never catch in time. Faster, cheaper, more accurate. Companies can't resist. This isn't just a tech trend, it's an economic shift in America. Employers don't need perfect. They need fast, affordable, and available 24/7. AI delivers all three, and that's why entire departments are shrinking across US companies right now. But here's the flip side. Every AI that replaces a worker also creates an opportunity. The people who master these tools aren't just keeping their jobs. They're starting new businesses, scaling side hustles, and making more money than ever before. Backhand index pointing right, so here's the question for you. Will AI take your job? Or will you use it to create your own $100,000 income stream? Because in today's America, it's not about your degree. It's about your ability to adapt. If AI gave you an extra 20 hours a week,